to do it, got to do it.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Jagai. I'm back with another video. Today I got some Dominos, boom. I got some pasta from Dominos. Hold on. Peep that. Ah, it's hot. Pasta. What I got up in here? Pepperoni. What else? I got cheese up in here. Parmesan cheese. I think I got sausages in here. I think. I don't know. But yeah. Hold on. Let me mix this a little bit. Hold on. Oh no, I don't got sausage. I didn't put sausage. That's cool. I don't remember if I did or didn't. But look. Boom, so today. Let me get into the thumbnail first and I'll do grace. Nah, this is like mad hot, so I gotta try to do this. Okay. Okay, now grace. God is good. God is good. Let's think of our food. Amen. That's my grace. But yeah. Now we can get into it. I'm probably not gonna eat all this. I'm on a diet. But, could pass up the whole food. So I might not eat all this. But yeah. How y'all been doing? It was just Halloween yesterday. So happy belated. Well, I'm doing this video on November 1st, so it'll probably go on November 2nd. So technically Halloween was 2 days ago. For y'all. What y'all been up to? I ain't been up to nothing too good. I've been working out. Yeah. This is God, right? For the Vision Twin Instagram, TikTok. They're really cool. Hour workouts every day. 100% free. Do it on Instagram Live. A lot in an hour too. I used to sit down in a short amount of time. Just an hour, but get a lot done in that hour. You feel me? So yeah. I've been working out every day. Except for the weekends, but well, I've been working out since last Wednesday, right? Not last Wednesday, the Wednesday before last Wednesday. Because we're on Monday right now. No, well, as of right now, I'm currently in today, and like this time right now, it's gonna be different for y'all when I upload it. But right now, Sunday. So the Wednesday before last Wednesday, I didn't do it. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not Saturday because I didn't know. But I did on Sunday. I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday? Yeah, yesterday. I did do Saturday. It was a 30-minute workout. Wow, over there. It felt like an hour workout. Like, we was doing like the same amount of stuff. It was fine. But yeah. Do need workouts, dieting. I've been drinking no juice or soda. I've been drinking water and Gatorade. Gatorade Zero, which only has 5 calories a bottle. So, realistically, I eat like a whole, I can drink like a whole pack. Like 30-something calories. That's not. I'm eating this. Then I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna work out after this. I'm gonna work out after this. And that's that. Then I'm gonna take showers. That's what I do. Workout is 10 to 11. Workout. That's 6 hours. I go sleep. And for snacks, and a trail mix. How about that? I ate oatmeal, cornflakes. Got almond milk. I'm already almost done. There's actually not a lot in here. I had pizza too, but I already ate 2 slices. Yeah, I ate 2. It's a small slice and another small slice. I went for the small slices there. Only 6 minutes, and I get this video to at least 10. So, about 4 minutes. What are we talking about? Let me see. I'm working out a lot. It's fun. It's hard though. To an extent, you know me? But what's all that? Hard work pays off, you know? So, I'm getting these games, you know? Yeah, like I said, I gotta work this off and get back to my diet. This is cheap. It's really good. I only got this because I usually get, I would usually get pizza with like cheesy bread or garlic bread from my house. That's mad bread. So I got this, you know, instead of getting that. I can eat this for dinner. Work out. I eat the pizza. That's how you feel me? Alright. So yeah, I'm done at this point. But almost had 10 minutes. I mean, I really have nothing to talk about anyway, but I'm almost done. I'm only sure I get 10 minutes. Anyway, go stream, shoot for stars, aim for the moon, aim for the moon, of course. But yeah. Just finish.
Oh, he said when it gets.
So yeah.
I'm gonna get
Guys,
and now
have a nice night. And I will see you guys when I see you guys. I'm still an extra teeth intro. Then y'all have a nice night. Nice day. Well, y'all. That was really good. And see y'all.